YouTube, it's gonna be story time. So this is the second story. The first story I told y'all about, the tattoo artist told me my breath was stank. Babe, up here. Thank you. Yeah, he told me I'm gonna be fucking cussing in this fucking video, and if you don't want me to fucking cuss, then get the fuck off. Let me talk how the fuck I'm talking and shit. All right. So story time number 2. So as you can see, point it back down. This is bag, right? I'm on a porch, front porch. It's cold too. I don't know if the heat is on in here, but it's cold as shit in here. So, okay. You see this black duffel bag. So this story, I'm gonna tell you the time up here. This is the time. I was working at this one shop 2 years ago, right? And then going on 2 years, probably a year and a half to be exact. And it was this guy. I assumed he was a crackhead because the first time he came in, he sold us a car radio, an N-dash radio, and then he just, before we was about to leave, I'm all about to close the gate. He said, excuse me. Can you? I was like, nah, I'm good. I always say to people when they be trying to like solicitate shit to me or whatever, I'm good. No, hold on, let me show you. And then it was, you know, I'm a mechanic, so I need car shape, you know, get my attention. So came over or whatever, and it was this radio, and I forget which brand it was, but it was a good brand. It was a dual, and somehow okay brand. But he took the dual radio. I said, how much you want for this? He said, $15. I said, you mean to tell me this car radio, $15? Yeah. Like, you know when like somebody fiending or something like that, they just be urgent and like rushing and shit. He was like rushing. Yeah. So all right, let me go talk to the owner and see if he wants this or whatever. So we can put this on the customer car. In fact, we did. So I talked to the owner. I said, I said to the owner just like that. I said, it's a crackhead outside. I think you're a crackhead. He's trying to sell this radio for $15. Like, get the hell out of here. I said, yeah, $15. Really? All right, go see if it worked. So, of course, I wanted to go power the radio up, quickly, add power and ground or whatever. And I saw that it came on, and it took a CD, but I didn't know if the audio worked, but I assumed it worked because the harness and everything was still there. So, whatever. Bought the radio was a success. 2 weeks later, he came back. It was hot as shit. I lie to you not. He came in walking with this bag. Yo, I got a bag of DVDs, $10. I said, what you mean bag of DVDs, $10? I said, hold on, let me see. I said, because I got $10. And I didn't even open it. I said, I got $10. And I opened up this bag, right? And I said, oh shit, yo, what the fuck? I lie to you now. I'm not fucking lying, yo. When I opened it, look at this. Got the motherfucking Emperor's New Groove, the cassette, real shit. You got all these bootleg joints there. I know y'all might send them boys after me and shit or whatever, but listen, a crackhead gave me this, so don't get me for no motherfucking pirating, copying bullshit or whatever. Listen, it got Super Bad. Listen, these motherfucking DVDs is in. It got Super Bad, got The Orphan. This bitch was crazy. She was a grown ass lady. You saw this movie?
Yeah, I saw that.
Lady. Okay, what's this? P.S. I love you. This is the ball from the fucking 300 in here and shit. Speaking of 300, we got 300 right here. Well, not only that, we got Tyson. Okay, what else, babe? I could just keep on going. What's this? Halloween, Michael Myers. It was a couple pornos in here, but I took those pornos for myself. Though they upstairs in a room somewhere. Babe, I'm dead ass. What else we got? We got Scream. Remember Scream? V8, a crackhead gave me off. Babe, point the camera at the bag. A crackhead gave me this full bag for $10. I lie to you not. We got Scream. Nobody even watched it. Look how, the film's all the way on one side. I'm just saying. Probably got to track it a little bit. Hold on. This is an actual real Johnson's Vacation. The DVD in there, so he must be still on vacation. But, hold on. We got Wolverine. Hold on. What's this? Breaking All the Rules. Remember this with Jamie Foxx when he had the dookie puffs in his hair? Oh, hold on. We got Good Deeds, Tyler Perry. Muslim, I don't know what it is, but we got Neil Long in it. That's not my shit or whatever. We got Gran Torino. I liked it, Gran Torino, because he's Clint Eastwood is a redneck. I like rednecks. Me and rednecks got something common. Hold on. Got Pelham 1, 2, 3 cars. Hold up.
Woo, Vermont.
Woo. I don't know what Racing Stripes is, but hold on. We got Premium. I don't know what Premium is. Hold on. We got Babe, I'm telling you, could Kill Bill. A
so,
crackhead got Kill Bill Volume 2.
So how many DVDs and all that? What's the total amount that you think is in that bag?
Going through this bag, I didn't even officially count. Babe, I believe that it's got to be close to 100 DVDs in this fucking bag. Now the whole time, me and my peoples, we thinking like, how could you have got? And he even got fucking Halloween. When the last time you saw Halloween? Look at the little girl. When the last time you saw this? I'm just saying. You got Kill Bill Volume 1. Okay, so we do got Volume 1. And he got the real. Hold on. No, this is fake. But it's still Kill Bill. Somebody got killed in this. Why you whistling? Because I'm taking too long? Alright, that's all I wanted to show y'all. But I think it's over 100.
That's the Kill Bill whistle.
Yeah. Oh, the Kill Bill whistle? Oh, I thought you were trying to play me, babe. But it's like gotta be 100. He got the, hold on, he's real. It's real. This is the Wolverine widescreen 1 and this 1 and 2. Yo, babe, it's gotta be like close to 100 DVDs in there for $10. How could you complain if it was 50 in it? I'm just saying. So that's my story.
Did you watch all of them?
Babe, I lie to you not. I mean, I gave a couple away. I have not got yet. Around to watch.
But you kept the porn.
But I kept the porn though. I definitely checked out the porn. Now, I'm not finished watching it though, but that's just my story. So make sure you guys hit the like button if y'all want me to tell some more stories. I got shitload of stories, man. Shitload of fucking stories. Babe, he came in, he said, bag of DVDs, $10. $10. He dropped it like this. He didn't put it down softly. He said, $10.